November 1852, the old Resconnais steamed through the storm. Snow whipping across the flight deck, engines roaring to keep us warm. 4 Panthers launched in the gray, Royce Williams at the stick. F9, F5, straight and true, no fear in his heart, just grit. The sky cracked open above, contrails high and cold. 7 Red Star MiGs diving fast, Soviet aces bold. Wingman peeled off one by one, fuel pump failed, chase gone wrong. Left Royce alone in the blue, 7 against 1, the fight was on. Oh, Panther in the blizzard, claws out in the fray, dancing with the MiGs, turning night into day. 4 fell to the sea, flames trailing their pride. Royce brought his bird home, shot full of holes but alive. Secret for decades, classified and still, but heroes don't fade. Truth climbs that hill, now the metal shines bright on a century's chest for the man who fought alone and gave the MiGs no rest. He pulled hard, left climbed tight, gun sight glowing red. First MiG crossed his nose, 20mm rounds, straight to the head. Cockpit shattered, pilot gone, the jet spun down and fired. The second came screaming in, Royce rolled and let her rip higher. He burned through ammo, every burst of prayer. 3rd MiG smoke, 4th exploded, air thick with the spare 37mm round tore through his wing. 263 holes they found, hydraulics gone. No stick pressure, but he nursed her toward the sound. Oh, Panther in the blizzard, claws out in the fray, dancing with the MiGs, turning night into day. 4 fell to the sea, flames trailing their pride. Royce brought his bird home, shot full of holes but alive. Secret for decades, classified and still, but heroes don't fade. Truth climbs that hill, now the metal shines bright on a century's chest for the man who fought alone and gave the MiGs no rest. Back on the deck, they pushed her over the side. No words for the fight, just silence to hide. No 8 stars, no headline, just a quiet Navy cross till the files opened wide and the world knew the cost. Years rolled on like waves, Royce lived his life so true. Retired captain, family man, till the honor came due. State of the Union lights bright, at 100 years young. The president called his name, the Medal of Honor sung. From frozen skies to marble halls, the story breaks free of one man's courage against the odds, for you and for me. Oh, Panther in the blizzard, you flew through the storm. Royce Williams, legend and Valerie, born 4 MiGs to the deep, one hero to the shore. The Navy's finest hour forevermore. Secret no longer, the truth rings clear for the pilot who faced 7 and conquered fear. Medal on his chest at last shining bright. Royce Williams fly on through the night. Oh, Panther in the blizzard, claws out in the fray, dancing with the MiGs, turning night into day. 4 fell to the sea, flames trailing their pride. Royce brought his bird home, shot full of holes but alive.